Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. For the past few months, the most asked question on our channel has been, what's that green liquid you guys keep spraying on your scalp? If you guys are consistent on this channel, you know that is our secret to thick hair and especially a super thick hairline. This hair tea is super simple with just 3 ingredients. It is rooted in ancient Ayurvedic science with herbs that have been used in India and other cultures to support hair growth. This Ayurvedic hair tea completely changed the volume and density of our hair, and today we'll be showing you how to make it. This hair tea consists of just 3 ingredients. It's mainly Moringa, Fenugreek, and Cloves. It's a herbal power combination that awakens dormant hair follicles. Moringa is packed with over 90 nutrients and feeds the scalp like a multivitamin. Cloves, on the other hand, stimulate blood flow, waking up dormant follicles, and Fenugreek is the OG. It's loaded with protein and proven to strengthen your hair and fight hair thinning. Now let's get started making this hair tea. The first ingredient we'll be using today is cloves. We will be adding just 1 teaspoon of cloves. These tiny spice buds increase blood circulation in the scalp. It also contains eugenol, which helps promote hair thickness. The second ingredient we'll be using is fenugreek seeds. We'll be using just 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek serves as a powerful protein source that promotes hair growth and adds shine. Now, last but not least, but most importantly, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of moringa. Moringa is known as the miracle tree due to its richness in iron, zinc, and omega-3s. These are all vital for hair growth. It nourishes the scalp from within and helps prevent breakage while strengthening the hair shaft. Once all your ingredients are in the pot or jar, proceed to pour boiling hot water to brew your herbal tea. This herbal tea should be left to further sit and brew for about 6 to 8 hours before straining. The main benefits of using this hair tea. This hair tea is super easy to make and we usually renew our batch of it every week. It is highly potent and a strengthening agent to the hair strands due to the fenugreek in it. It is the perfect solution if you're experiencing slow hair growth, thinning hair, balding patches on your scalp, hair shedding, and various scalp issues.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you
Now that 8 hours have gone by, your Moringa hair tea should be dark green in color and ready to strain. Drain the liquid with the help of a strainer or cheesecloth and then transfer it into a spray bottle. And for the storage, the shelf life of this Moringa hair tea is 5 to 7 days and it should strictly be kept refrigerated. This hair tea can be used 1 to 2 times a week. It can also be used as a leave-in treatment and also as a hair mask that is eventually rinsed out. Now, how to use it. To apply this hair tea properly, it would be best to section your hair in 4 or more. Spray directly onto the scalp and the hair roots. This would make your hair slightly damp, but you do not need to rinse it out. Proceed then to spray the Moringa hair tea on the body of your hair, then you can seal it with moisture or a hair oil. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. We actually started seeing reduced shedding after 2 weeks of using this hair tea, and by 2 months our hair felt noticeably thicker and fuller. This hair tea has now become a staple in our weekly routine. So guys, you do not need $100 serum or harsh chemicals to get healthy, thick hair. Sometimes the best solutions are already in nature and we just have to return to them. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with someone who needs a natural hair boost. Let us know in the comments if you'll be trying out this hair tea. And thank you for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!